Do Young. Oh, Mark. Tail. Wait, is that John? John. Wow, Taeyong. Yes, Mark. We see him again for the second time. Jung. I love Jungwoo's look. Jaehyun. Ooh, Utah. Oh, he still kept it. His hair. Ooh, Do Young. He looks like so fresh. There's my baby. Hey, Chan. Oh, yes. Yes, Tail. Ta- yes. Like, I love how. Yes, hey, Chan, get that vocal. I love how Jungwoo's the only colorful one, and then the rest of them wearing dark colors. Oh, Tail. Yes, Johnny. Yes, Utah. Yes. Oh, yes, Tail. Oh, Jaehyun. Wow. What? Like, this track video is so them, but I think they definitely leveled up a little bit. Like, this is so them though. Like, I was like, when I found out that they're gonna have a track video, I was like, okay, their track video is gonna like reflect them, just like the other track videos with NCT Dream and Wavy. But I think this one is the best because it really um represents them, and they didn't really do anything like crazy, but it's over the top. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's so them. Oh my god! And I'm so happy that like Tail and Jungwoo, and they got what they deserved, and also Haechan. Like, Haechan is doing well. If you watch the NCT Dream track video, Mark, we all know Mark, and Taeyong, Johnny, he's doing well. Do Young, you know what I'm saying? Like, and Jaehyun. So like, I'm so proud of I was like kind of sad that SM didn't release the track video on time, but it's literally worth it because they really shook they really shook the earth, like the nation, like earthquake, you know. But yeah, today's video. Thank you guys for watching. How does this air? Oh yeah, and Utah. Oh my god, Utah. I forgot about Utah because I love that boy so much too. Like Utah, like all of them. Yeah, today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hi, this is Erica. Welcome back to my channel. Drafted to NCT 127's Earthquake track video, and I'm not complaining that it's late because it's so good. And I just really I don't know if they will release another track video. I will be surprised if they did. Like, that will be 4 track videos in total then, but it's only 3. But yeah, hopefully good and still staying safe, and I'll see you guys until next